a keyboard dance with joy. His Turkish march is a perfect example of this playful spirit. We now have Felix Vaz, set to entertain us on the electronic keyboard.
आमचे मुखार येतात आमची गिटार वाजोवपी भुरगीं. They are playing a piece by the French composer Camille Saint-Saëns. The composer in this piece tries to capture the elegance of a swan gliding gracefully across water. This guitar ensemble has been trained by Sir Myron Mascarenhas. Please welcome them on stage. आमच्या गावांत गाडयापोण आणि जादू असल्यो वस्तू जायत्यो जाताल्यो. राव, त्या गाडयापोणांक इंग्लिशीन कितें म्हणटात?
गाडयापोण म्हणजे विचक्राफ्ट.
Yes. Now we have two of our young pianists presenting before you a piece entitled Witch's Flight, composed by Russell. They will try to imitate the witches of old. Please give a round of applause to welcome them on stage, Caroline Francisco and Jemima Oman.
I'm sure if the witches came today here for our program, they would be jealous of those flying fingers.
Who knows, maybe some witches may descend from the skies after hearing this beautiful piece. So, आता न्हू आमी एक मोगाचें कातार आयकुया.
Mogache Katar?
Yes.
You mean romantic music? I love romantic music.
Who doesn't? The name of the song is Fair Robin I Love from the opera Tartuffe, written by Kirke Meckham in 1980.
Clyde, this is not a romantic song. Rather, it expresses a cynical and playful view of love, where the speaker and their beloved are agreeing to be disloyal to each other.
So funny, whatever. Regardless of that, now we have on stage Vania Santos Costa Pereira singing Fair Robin I Love, accompanied by teacher Luella Fernandez. Once a composer said he wanted his music to make people feel like they were walking through a peaceful meadow.
होय, संगीत आमकां वेगवेगळी भावना आमच्या मनांत, काळजांत आनी जिणेंत उत्पन्न करता. आमचे मुखार येता आमची वायलन वाजोवपी भुरगीं, आपले मन बुलोवपी संगीत घेवन.
So get ready for our junior string ensemble, guided by teacher Goretti Pinero, performing for us Pastorale by Mazas and Un Poco Presto by Stunts. Happy listening. आयकलो म्हणटालो जेन्ना एक संगीतकार आपलें वाजोंत्र आपल्या हातांनी घेता तेन्ना तें वाजोंत्र आपुणूच उलोवंक आनी गावंक लागता.
Yes, musicians can make their instruments speak and sing melodiously. We will now witness our young classical guitarist Chris Vaz. He will perform for us a solo piece entitled Capriccio, composed by Johann Metz. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby, I like ballroom dancing.
Ballroom dancing?
Yes.
What's that? Do you mean people be in a room throwing cricket balls and footballs at each other?
Oh my god, no. Ballroom dances are basically recreational dances of the Western world, often danced by couples.
Oh, you mean cha-cha-cha, waltz, bolero, tango?
Yes. Now, we will have our young violinists and cellists who will give us a taste of ballroom dances of old. They will be playing for us two pieces, Minuet, composed by Johann Sebastian Bach, followed by Polka, written by Bedřich Smetana. This ensemble is trained by our teacher, Frederica Gotha. Happy listening.
तुका नाच आवडटा न्हू?
Yes, I love dance.
आनीक एक नाच संगीत आमकां आयकूंक मेळटलें. This time it's the popular Hungarian dance by Brahms, performed by Anneli Pereira and Nicole Pereira on the pianoforte.
Just a fun fact, Brahms loved the Hungarian dances so much that he claimed that they had more energy than his morning coffee. Enjoy this performance. Is a violin duo by Carl Stamitz, Allegro from his Opus 27. This will be performed by Adriano Braganza and Vivek Costa Frias. Please welcome them on stage.